Good morning. Are we still having coffee? I'm working on the barn decor. I've been to the thrift store, found this little wreath, got a cross, some art for nothing, hand painted, that I'm going to hang in the barn. Why not, right? It's from the thrift store. You just can't find these anymore. There's another one. I've already used one. I got 5 wreaths altogether. And then I zhuzhed it up with a little bit of Hobby Lobby. I got these for 50% off. So $4.50, which is, for one little garland, is a lot more money than I spent on most of these items that I got at the thrift store. You just can't find this cute little stuff anymore, though. And some nice iron accents for the barn to hang a halter on. It was $1.99. And a beautiful cross. Some sconces, which I will put some electric lights so that, no chance of fire. Every year I get these huge mums for $16.99. And they've got jumbo pumpkins for $6.99. So a small investment there. Altogether, I've spent about $100, and the barn's gonna look awesome. So stay tuned. Here's the barn over there. I love to put lights for the holidays, and the animals love it too. Carolyn. Okay, that's it for you. Sorry. Okay, one more. But you better be nice. Carolyn. Don't like? You don't like it? Don't like it? So thanks for watching and stay tuned. Bye.